Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to save login info on your Instagram account. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So what you have to do is sign into Instagram, and you want to select your profile icon in the bottom right corner to open up your profile page. And then you want to proceed to select the hamburger icon at the top right, and then select where it says Account Center near the top, and then go down underneath where it says Account Settings and select Password and Security, and select where it says Saved Login at the top, and then you can go ahead and enable that for your recognized devices, and that's pretty much all you would have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.